Today is Rosie's 7th birthday. She's 7 years old. Jessica's horse, Rosie. What do you say, Rosie girl? What do you want for your birthday, huh? Green grass? Water? No horseflies? Happy birthday, Rosie. Rosie girl. Mmm. Birthday flowers. Here you go, Rosie. Happy birthday. I think she wants the no horseflies more than anything. Here you go, Rosie girl. Rosie. Here. No? They look good to me.